Okay, bring on the drunks. Now, if you're a college football fan, then you're my kind of person. No. Heading to one of the conference championships, are you, this weekend? Well, here's a creative tailgating idea. It sounds different, but apparently it looks delicious.
I'm Rosalind Daniels with RosalindDaniels.com, and today we're going to be making a DIY Brussels Sprouts bar. First, you want to start with 2 pounds of washed Brussels sprouts. Make sure that you dry them off really well because you don't want the water to make your Brussels sprouts steam when you put them in the oven because we're going to roast them. So I've already prepared some Brussels sprouts, and I'm just going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, put a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt, and a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so when you have your Brussels sprouts on the pan, all you're gonna do is just put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And they came out beautifully. Take your to-go pans, fill up each container with some Brussels sprouts so everyone can have their own portion to dress up the way that they would like. So we have bacon, fried apples, cranberries, barbecue chicken, caramelized onions, and pulled pork. So my favorite combination is I start with my fried apples, bacon, and then I always top it with blue cheese. You can throw this on the grill, warm it up, and you can just enjoy.
So, how do you tailgate? You can post pictures, whether it's your crazy friends, your incredible setup, or the food itself. Use the hashtag Tums Sweepstakes because you could be some of the folks winning the tailgate prizes.
HLN's search for the Tums Ultimate Tailgate. Share photos of what you're eating this tailgate season on Twitter or Instagram using the hashtag Tums Sweepstakes for a chance to win one of the weekly prizes to upgrade your next tailgate.